Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel, girlfriend. I have got something to show you that you are just going to be amazed by. I was amazed when I did it because I thought, this is just a fluke. This cannot work. But it did work. I'm really blown away by it. And you can see how beautiful it is mixing these two colors together of blush that I never thought to do. So, just keep watching if you want to know how to do this. Okay, it has been such a wonderful week. I have enjoyed going to convention. I was really, really tired. Went back to work this week and I was like, I could have slept at my desk for real. It's the time change and all the excitement and no sleep really caught up with me. I guess I keep thinking I'm 40 and I'm not. I'm 60. So in other words, I had to recuperate a few days and it took me a few days, but I still had to go to work. But I want to show you this. This is the new Quadra. This is what you see on my eyes. Girls, this stuff is amazing. I'll put a little thing right here just so you can see all the goodness that it has. Because this video is not about this. This video is about being creative and using something totally different than I've used before together. So, and the lashes are beautiful. Just look at that. And they're touchable. It's a tubing mascara. And so this is dry. And I mean, I literally can touch and feel them. It is just amazing. And I do love it. One thing I do love most about it is there's no fallout. So like at the end of the day when I get home, you see all that black stuff sitting there. That ain't gonna happen, girl. That ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry, I'm Southern. That is not going to happen. I know how to speak like real English, but sometimes when I get excited, the Southern girl comes out in me. It just does. And this outfit today, I was looking in my closet and I forgot I had this. Now this is one of those little outfits that's just kind of baggy and it's, it's really light. It doesn't go all the way down to the floor. It's like, halfway down my legs. But isn't it cute? It ties in the back. It ties right here. So I truly forgot I had this. I may have to look it up and see if I can find it for you. I do not know where I purchased it. Maybe I got it last summer and thought I was going to wear it. And I just never did. And so it got cold and I forgot about it. So I was going through my closet. I'm like, girl, I'm wearing it today though. Because it's going to be like 90 degrees of wherever here today. A lot of humidity in Alabama too. So, but I have tested out these lashes in the extreme heat of Alabama and they've done perfectly well. So let's get on with this tutorial. It's not about lashes, but I just wanted to tell you about them. Now this video is about blush. And I was going through, I always go through and hunt for new things to do for you and to try. So this is, you're going to need a cool tone and a warm tone blush, okay? You could use lipstick if you want to. It does not matter. I have chosen two blushes that are creams. One is Unique and one is by, which one am I using? Hang on one second. Oh, Anastasia. It's by Anastasia. Love these colors together. Now, one is a cool tone and one is also a warm tone. So I'm going to show you how to mix these two together to get the most beautiful look on your face. It was amazing. When I first tried it, I thought, this ain't going to work. But it does. Now, I haven't really done anything to my face. What the shadow you see is just the shadow, my normal shadow, okay? So, evidently I'm sinking in somehow. But we're going to use these two colors here. This is the Anastasia one, and then this one is Unique's, and this one is Cinnamon Latte, and this one is Peony, I think it is. No, it's Pink Dahlia. I'm sorry, Pink Dahlia. So I'll put the names below these. Let me hold them here so you can see the names. But what we're going to do is combine these. Well, we're going to put them on separately and then we're going to blend them together and you'll see how beautiful this is. Here are my colors. Aren't these beautiful? Yes, they are totally different colors. Can you see? Cool tone, warm tone. We're going to mix these together. I have never thought about mixing these kind of colors together at all. Now you can use a dry beauty blender to blend this out, or you could use a brush, something like this. I am going to use the original beauty blender, okay? This is not, I know it looks dirty, but I try to clean it. It's clean. It's just, I've had this one quite a while. If you don't have an original beauty blender, I would suggest that you get one because these last forever. You can wash them. I've got two of these. And I have had them probably a year and a half. And look at this. It's still good. If I use the Real Techs, they always come apart, and I don't like them to do that. So I just opted to buy the $20 original beauty blender, and that worked perfectly. So I suggest you do that. I suggest you do that. So this is what I did. I'm going to mix these two, but we're going to put them on the back of our hands, and we're going to put them like this on the back of your hand. See that? There's one. And then here's the other. Let's put this one right here. Okay, so this one is Younique's. This one is Anastasia's. Beautiful, beautiful colors, but totally different, right? So what we're going to do is take your finger, and you're going to mix these two together, just like that. Now I'm going to take a little bit of the brown and just move it over to this area. And what I'm going to do is typically grab it from right here. See the difference in the color now? We've created our own color, girl. Now you can choose whatever you want to use. I will link these below so that you can try these two. I've had this one quite a while. This one is fairly new. This is a new one for Younique. There are 4 different colors. Now you can actually use this on your lips and on your eyes. Okay, so it's one of those all-in-one kind of things. You could probably do the same thing with this as well. But what we're going to do now is you're going to take a little bit of this. I'm excited because I always am when I'm trying something new. And I did this the other night in my ladies' night, and I did not try it beforehand. Girl, I was like, are you kidding me? This is beautiful. And I couldn't really get over it. Now, make sure you take it right up into your hairline, just like that. You don't want to come past here. I don't usually do that because, you know, my eyes are really kind of close set. I need things to be wider apart. So, yeah, did I put too much? Probably so. But what the heck? It'll wash off. We're going to use this beauty blender. And we're going to take these two. I'm going to put just a little tad more, okay? I'm going to add just a little bit more up in that topper area. And there we go. Now it looks very cohesive. Now you're going to be shocked at how this comes together. When I did it the other night, it was the first time I did it on my ladies' night. I did not do it beforehand. So I really had to stand back and look at it and go, oh my goodness, that's absolutely beautiful. So what this does, it just gives you a beautiful tone. Now this is not moist, okay? Make sure that it's dry. Oh my goodness. When I did it, I was so shocked. Now, it just looks gorgeous. You mix those two together, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Now, whatever residue is left, sometimes, you know, I do like this kind of thing to come across. Now, see the difference? Look at that. See the difference? What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. And we're going to do, well, I'm probably going to have to get a little bit more. I don't know if I can mix it. Well, I guess I can. Let's do it. What the heck? Now, make sure you come right here and go up. And I'm just going to try to use all I can right through here. There we go. Isn't that pretty? But see, look at the difference. You think, oh my gosh, that's too dark. It's not. It blends out really beautiful. And you just press it in. Make sure you take it up into your hairline and go right up past your eye. And if you want to, do like I did over there. And you'll just get this beautiful sun glow look. I'm doing just what I did the other night. Just like, really? I mean, really? It is beautiful. Try this with colors you have, or you can get the two that I just put together. These were two that I had. And really, this is the only one that was a darker color, like a warmer color. And this one was just such a beautiful medium tone pink. It wasn't too light and it's not too dark. So that's the reason I chose this color here. But girls, I'm going to go finish out my face and lips and all, and we'll come back and I'll powder my face and we'll actually see the finished product. So we're totally finished, girlfriends. Just remember, fluff your hair. Mine's kind of weird today. It's definitely got a lot of fluff in it, which is good. I like big hair. When you got baby fine hair, that's the way it goes, right? You like to have bigger hair. So, because it makes you look like you have more hair. That's the reason. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I am here on Sundays only. And you know what? I think you should grab this eye look. I think you should grab the whole look, girlfriends. I'll try to put everything in the description box that I've used to create this entire look, okay? So the only bad thing is, I did use Unique Spray Foundation, which is going away. And it is my favorite foundation. I don't know what I'm going to do without it because it is full coverage, yet I can add oil to my face and apply it and you get a beautiful sheen. I'm really bummed about that. But the manufacturer cannot evidently get the ingredients anymore to make the formula for the spray foundation. So hopefully Younique will come out with something similar. I hope so. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go look for another spray foundation because I think spray foundations are just beautiful on mature skin. I just do. I think they're gorgeous. And it is a matte finish, so that's the reason I add the oil to it, to give it this nice little sheen that you see. Okay, so I hope you've learned something today. I hope you're going to go try this. Put it in the comments what you think about it after you've done it. Ooh, I'd love to know what you think. But use what you have. But if you want to grab these two that I use, go ahead, girl. Grab it. I think you will love them anyway, okay? I will see y'all next Sunday. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. See you later.